giveaway today. This is the October 31st event, so I think today is Halloween, right?
Yep.
Yeah. And this is a 6-port turbo setup on the FC. So we have our link ECU, and you can see she's holding the laptop and doing some vlogging right now. And I'm gonna send some stuff over to my tuner Ryan. Shout out to Ryan. His Instagram is here or whatever on the screen. But he's super awesome. He's been helping me get this build together. I haven't talked much about it, but this is my first ever drift event, and this is my first time driving it with this brand new setup. Like, everything has been touched on this car on the highway, so it's kind of scary. We're 16 minutes away, as you can see on our little Apple CarPlay thing through Waze. So the only issue we've had so far is these stupid wipers keep coming on and off. But today's gonna be a super rad day. Hopefully I pass tech, and if I don't, I'll make it happen. But yeah, let's get it. Go. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Let's fucking go. Alrighty, we are at the track. We made it. And I just sent over the log file to my tuner, so they'll send me some revisions back. But the car didn't skip a beat. Only issue we had was what? Freaking windshield wipers wouldn't shut the fuck up. So yeah, we should be good.
Illegal in the world of motorsports.
Alright, it's fucking nice out. We out here. Will's here. Shout out to Will. Without Will, probably I wouldn't be at this event. My wideband controller was kept breaking, and he let me borrow his, and I'm exchanging him for a new one. Patty Boy, we all know him. He's worked on the car. He helped me out a lot. This is God himself, aka Ma. Yep, John Carlo. This is my homie from high school. He's known me before I could drive and brought me my first ever car meet. Super rad photographer, you know the vibe. So I just finished driver's meeting, and B class is going in first, and then C class is next. So I'm gonna just put on my fire extinguisher and a couple things and get the car ready. So, yep.
Dude, ask Peter. No, he doesn't know how to do that next song.
I don't know how he's gonna do this with a helmet on.
That's trash, man.
Get into one accident, you're snapping your neck on the roof.
It's a good thing it's cage.
Oh yeah, no, I really, yeah, the 8-point cage and the harnesses. With the, you know, because we know that when you have bucket seats, you know, you're gonna make it impossible to sit in the car. You always have harnesses on the set. Eighth gear.
Go rip the hydro.
Yo, hydro. FaceTime
Jamie. Jamie's not a good driver. Alright.
Say hi.
Yo, what's up? I can't have moving shit in the car, so just the car is like clean and free of a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, I heard this two-step was like gunshots, man.
It's fucking aggressive. Actually, I'm gonna turn on the car now. Shit. Hopefully I don't break it.
That I ain't drove shit. I don't know the reason.
You're fucking crazy.
Underlay, revive. Me and J Bappin on G5. Success is a drug and we. I am mother is a beehive. I got love for you, hanging this shit. Ain't you tired? We get the cool. I don't want no babies. I can't get you. I don't got no safety. I got my little. Oh shit. I'm about to do some shit. They ain't see me coming through. I'm in the newest whip. You never smelled this. Oh, you like that, huh? Well, you know her pussy through. You like that, huh? You the type of nigga get beat up, ain't gon' fight that, huh? Nigga slid down.
Temps?
24, 12 and 13.
Getting comfortable. I was getting comfortable. I was clutch kicking. It definitely like had enough power, but super weird.
Just dead forever? You're nothing? I don't know. That's kind of weird.
America isn't the only thing that's free. Come on down to Lindsay Robinson's Bagels this 4th of July for our special buy 12, get 1.
Alright, so why do you think you're losing power?
I know why.
Why?
There's like a. You remember there's like a fuse panel inside?
Yeah.
The connector's so loose. So midway through, dude, that was my best run too. That was like I was eating it.
I was gonna say. I was gonna say I was almost positive it was a boost thing because I know you were having boost issues.
No, sir.
What happened?
Bro, dude, the drop. battery disconnected. What?
You said
Like the tow guy?
yeah.
Yeah, he slammed his brakes when he was towing me. Oh, hit my shit. My car lost power. I know why, too. The fuse, like the connector, the fuse popped out.
Oh, bro.
Yeah, midway through drinking. That was my best run too. I was eating it.
Yeah.
The back. Oh,
I'll see you later. Though.
all right, dog.
What's up? We are at the pits. Yeah. Where are you?
Yo,
So walk towards the skip.
we need a wrench.
14.
I think I fixed the power issue. Dude, the battery seems really low. The fans are just on.
Hey, what's up, son?
Giving it shape.
It's called metalworking. Yeah, right. You can hook on something solid to do that.
No, you don't. Just bang it a couple times and then, you know.
Are you using a rubber hammer too? It's not gonna bend the metal. You gotta like put it flat.
Yeah.
Something soft. Yeah. You need advice.
He's a real race car driver. He's like Mario Andretti. He knows what he's doing.
Well, this is fun too. Like that's not gonna work. We got fun feel in the end frame. Remember that? So what? Do you need a smaller belt? Oh, and then Dylan kept shutting it off. Yep. But it was taking me a minute to like focus. I mean, I couldn't like look over for that. I looked in one direction. Yeah, I know. It was a lot of different things. A lot of stimuli.
So fucking dead. I don't even know if I explained what happened, but I lost power from my ECU and I fixed that, but the tow truck driver slammed his brakes a little too hard and fucked up my headlight.
Yeah, no fighting near the truck.
You know, Patty boy out here with the F250. Can you tell us what we got? What's underneath the hood?
Well, we got a 7.3 Power Stroke with
Did
a CF5.
Did the Pit Vipers come with it?
Yes.
Oh no. When are you drifting your Miata? Yeah, right.
Yeah, different drift.
Yeah, right. You should take the parts car and make it a drift car. Oh, fuck.
Last weekend.
God damn it. You should drift the Forester mill.
100%.
That thing's lit in the rear. We got Jason Miata. Alright. Dude, I'm paranoid that that thing's gonna pop out again.
It won't.
I'll give it another look. My spade connector for my ECU keeps falling out. So I'm getting so much more comfortable with the car. My hair looks like a mess. And with no power steering, keep in mind this is a power steering rack. It's not a manual rack. I'm really getting comfortable like holding up in the higher RPM range and just kind of clutch kicking it really is helping out so much. Holding like momentum and just control over the car without, I didn't spin out once if you saw on that run. Super rad. I got super hungry. I haven't had anything to eat all day, but I'm super glad that the car's been running great and hopefully I can drive it back home with no problem. So, rad. Dad number one. Actually, who's the real dad? Pat? Are you the dad or is he the dad?
I don't know, dude.
Well, dude, I've been, filming.
Not you, the other Pete.
Oh.
I say Pete, I mean not Pete. You're Peter.
Wait, where's Pete?
He went over to the food section.
Oh, inverted Pete.
Yes. O'Reilly?
Well, that's the end of that video. I ended up driving home successfully somewhat. My laptop died and I don't have any gauges in the car besides an AFR gauge which sits in the glove box. So I was kind of looking at the weird FC water temp gauge, and if you know anything about that gauge you shouldn't rely on it. But midway through driving home, literally like 15 minutes away, the radio started shutting off and I was like, oh shoot, the battery is like on it's a brand new battery, but I realized my battery wasn't charging the whole time. I was pretty much drifting on a jump pack and it was the alternator power cable that didn't have a good connection and all of that. So came up with a solution for that, and have that all fixed away. I was leaking a little bit of coolant out of the coolant return line. The copper washer was just old and crusty. Got brand new ones, so I'm gonna be doing that. And power steering, I struggled so much at that event without it. So the goal is to have proper power steering. So I hit up my buddy Chandler Holyfield, hit him up if you want an electric power steering system. My only issue, I'm scared that since I have a Series 4 alternator, it's not going to be sufficient enough for it, as the Volvo power steering pump takes like 70 amps of amperage draw, so I might have to upgrade to an FD alternator, and it's just more money to spend, and money I don't really want to spend. Aside from that, those are the three things I need to get handled. And then my battery tie down situation, I already have something for that. And then just really small stuff, just cleaning up the car and just going away slowly. No need to rush anymore since the season's pretty much over. Finally, I'm gonna get the car painted. I have a Turbo 2 hood that I bought. I'm gonna put on the car and just make the car what I always wanted it to be. And it's definitely that event was definitely something very memorable, a good day to remember. And there's so many people I'm thankful for that helped me get down here. And thank God I got there safely and I had no issues, and everybody enjoyed themselves that day, so I'm super happy. Definitely a lot to learn. One thing I took away from the event, even without power steering, was just keep it up high up in the RPM range, 2 hands on the wheel, and just, flick it and just clutch kick. I'm gonna finish up the remainder of the tune with Ryan, and as for my gauge solution, I'm actually considering getting this Gauge Art CAN bus gauge, so that will be rad. I don't like to run a bunch of gauges and stuff. I just think it looks tacky. Just something simple to keep the whole OEM look. But yeah, just very thankful for everybody that supported this build, and hopefully I can finally drift for real this next event. I might be able to go to the November 14th event, and that should be the last one of the year. I don't want to go too crazy on the car, but just trying to get comfortable. But yeah, it's been a journey. It's super rad. But yeah, I'm gonna go do some schoolwork, edit the rest of this video, and upload it. Peace.